You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn how his original name is Italian, make sure to stay tuned. I've got a video for you want to learn from and listen to. Petrarch, Francis Petrarch. That's not his real Italian name, that's the anglicized version, but that's how you say it. Petrarch, not Petrarch. Petrarch. How to pronounce Petrarch. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.